Imagine a system that, given the image below, could answer these questions. What sport is being played? Who has the ball? How many players are in the image? Is it raining? A VQA system as an algorithm takes as input an image and a natural language question about the image and generates a natural language answer as the output. In medical imaging systems like X-ray, computed tomography scan, and magnetic resonance imaging, VQA has applications like providing a second opinion to radiologists about their analysis of the image. It can also be used by patients or his guardians at home or work for getting a basic information about the image without consulting the
Image is given as input and the question is there any fracture? And the model gives the answer, femoral neck fracture.
Deep learning is a branch that comes under artificial intelligence that makes use of neural network to mimic the human brain. Deep learning is all about neural networks, and the formulation of neural network is inspired by the human brain, which consists of many neurons that are interconnected to each other. Neural networks consist of three layers, that is input layer, hidden layer and output layer. Each layer has neurons interconnected to the neurons in the next layer, and it is in this hidden layer that features are extracted. Convolution neural network is a category of neural network that is basically used for image recognition, image classification, etc. A convolution neural network is taking an input image, processing it and classifying it under certain categories. Computers always sees an input image as an array of pixels.
When we give question and image as input, the image and question features are extracted to form language and image model, which is then concatenated to form VQA model. This predicts 1000 classes of answers, from which top 5 classes are selected and displayed as output.
VQA can also be used for online shopping, where e-commerce stores would be able to make their product search much better, making it more customer friendly, where they can search using specific product images and ask questions about the availability and other features.
We are happy that we could successfully complete this project, and this would not have been possible without the support and help provided by our dear teachers. We would like to specially thank our guide, Mrs. Roshna, for the support she has provided us with. We are also extremely grateful to the Computer Science Department of FISAT for providing us with the opportunity to showcase our skills through our project. Thank you.